100. Tips and tricks for cooking in the field. Number 1. When you're cooking any type of meat, boiling will save the most nutritional value from the animal. Drink the broth as well. It contains critical fats. Number 2. Any stones used for cooking or placed directly within a fire should never come from creek beds or rivers. Even if they appear dry, they can still hold moisture that will cause a fracture when heated. They can create great danger from flying debris when they explode. Number 3. Fires are for warmth and coal beds are for cooking. Always let fires burn down to develop a large coal bed for cooking needs. Number 4. Always pick fire locations carefully, bearing in mind the wind, direction, and strength so that the flames do not get out of hand. Number 5. When you're leaving an area, fires should be completely out with no smoke coming from the coals. Crush carbon completely and scatter it to make the smallest impact on the land. Page 101, chapter number 5, coverage. A pleasant stopping place is seldom far to seek in a hilly country that is well wooded. In a level region, whether it be open plain or timbered bottom land, good water and a high and dry site may be hard to find. Horace Kephart, Camping and Woodcraft, 1919. Choosing proper coverage for your expeditions will depend on your environment, the season, and the duration of your stay in the wild. A well-constructed shelter made of durable material can make the difference between a safe, warm, and dry night's sleep and a potentially life-threatening situation. To help you choose the best options for your kit, this chapter details many coverage options, from types of tarps to sleeping bags and blankets, and even natural shelters you can construct on the fly or in emergencies. You'll also learn essential skills for treating your coverage materials and creating tents, as well as folding and storing options for carrying shelters with your kit. From modern military modular sleep systems with bivy bags to traditional wool blankets and fire lays. Here you'll find the information you end of page.